In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 2 language. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna present a quick solution to fix any language problems that you are having with Call of Duty Black Ops 2. Keep in mind that for this method that I'm gonna present in this video, you will need to own the game through Steam. So if you have Call of Duty Black Ops 2 available on your Steam library, you will be able to follow these steps. Now, the first thing that I want to note is that as you can see on the official Steam start page for the game, they list the game as having full English, French, German, Italian, and Spanish support. So you will be able to play the game with the interface and full audio in these languages. Besides these languages listed here, the method that I'm going to show you is not going to work, so keep that in mind. Now, with this warning out of the way, all that you have to do is go over to Steam, access your library, and find Call of Duty Black Ops 2. You will notice that I don't actually own it on this account, so I'm going to demonstrate what you have to do with the newer Call of Duty title, but don't worry, the process is also going to work for Black Ops 2. In here, right-click the game, go over to Properties, and now you will be able to switch over to General, which should be the default tab, and change the language from here. Now, you will be able to pick between all the languages that I mentioned, and afterwards you should be good to go. If you notice that the language tab is missing and you cannot change your language from the General Properties tab, then you can either try changing the language of the Steam client or even the language set on your actual PC. Besides this option, you will not be able to change the language anywhere else, so just change it within Steam and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 2 language. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.